Hello, dear colleagues. Today I'm going to show you how to create a class in American Language Hub's platform. So we go to home screen where we have the book, and on the left we will always have our menu. In other videos, in other video tutorials, I'm going to be using the same menu on the left. So this is where we find all the answers. In this case, I want you to go to class setup. And in here, you will find all classes. You will find our institution. You can see we have 199 classes because every academic term we create classes in every regional center around the country. So I want you to click on classes. I want you to click on create class in here on the upper right corner. And I want you to write the name of your class. I highly recommend writing your name and then the level and then the academic term. This way, students will have a clear view of where they are and who they are with. I suggest adding an end date because that makes it better for the students, and I recommend December 10th. I think by then our class will be over. Make sure it's 2024 and not 2025 because it will be automatically set in 2025. So change it to 2024. Click on create. This is just the first step. I want you to make sure that this is the first step. When you have your class on screen like this, you will click on edit, and in here you can write a description if you want. Subgroups, I don't even use it. I just want you to update. When you update, you go to the next step, adding a teacher. In my case, this is a managing account, so I can see all teachers in the whole country. Teachers are not supposed to have their name. If you see, all users have just well, you can see in here, teachers are not supposed to change the name of their user. It's not necessary. You're just, for example, let me find my user. My user is ALH. That's my user's name. ALH teacher. I'm going to add the teacher, and I'm going to click here on review. All right. This is my user. It doesn't have my name. I don't need to have my name on my user because other people use the same usernames and passwords, and we exchange them every academic term. So why would you want to change the name and make it your own when it's not your own? You will change levels probably next term and the term after that, and we will be all constantly changing. So every user should be named basic level teacher, level 1 teacher, level 2 teacher, level 3 teacher, level 4 teacher. That's the professional way to do it. So in this case, I added my user. In your username, the one that you're using in your regional center or in Tegucigalpa, you probably only have your teacher's user. You will not see the 80 something teachers, all right? So don't worry about that. I just want you to add a teacher, the teacher that you have in your user. I want you to add it. If you see in here on my screen, I already have a teacher added. It says 1. I did it. Students, you don't have to add the students right now because you don't know all your students' names. It's a long process. It's not necessary. So don't worry about the students right now. What I want you to do, and please don't forget, is add the product. At the bottom of your screen, there's the product. And in this case, since this is a managing account, I have all books in there. But I just need the starter book for this class. So I click on adding and I submit. Like that, I have a teacher and I have a product. So I will click on done. Okay. My class is already created. So what you will do now, if you see, I can find Monje and I can see all my classes, third academic term. I have two because I created another one before making this video tutorial. All right. And they should all be here. So let's see. View details. The class that has a product. This is not the good class. I have no product here. Let me find my class. Active classes. This one has a product. Yes. So the second one is the good class. This is my code. This is what I wanted to show you. The code. I can copy it and send it via email or via WhatsApp to my students. And my students have to add that code. I'm going to copy it. And they have to add their code, this code, to their user, and they will be added to your class. So students are the ones who add themselves up to their class. How do they do it? Let's go back to the home screen, and I will show you very quickly what your students have to do. You go to settings, joining code. This is what the students will do. And they paste the code of the class. They click on check. Nah, I'm a teacher, so I cannot see. I have a teacher account. So I will not see the name of the class. Okay, but that's what your students will do. They will go to settings, joining class, class code. They paste it here and they check, and the name of the teacher in the class will be here. And that's how they will be added to your class. So thank you very much for watching this. I hope it was useful. Any questions you have, please let me know via WhatsApp or via email. Thanks a lot.